welcome back to my channel, MakeupMenaree. This is Nala.
Hi.
So I borrowed her because I wanted to go ahead. She's gorgeous. This is my daughter's friend. I wanted to show you guys that the techniques that I use work on all skin tones. You just have to sort of find your shades, but everything that I do works the same on any skin tone. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick little gorgeous, easy, quick makeup. You know, nothing too difficult.
Yeah.
We will go ahead and get started. So if you guys want to see me transform her, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the color 360 and 340. I'm just going to equally mix those together. I cannot tell you guys how much this foundation is amazing. It's hella cheap. It's amazing. I love it, and I can't say enough about it. Because this foundation is super buildable, I'm going to go back in with my finger and just spot conceal some of the areas that she needed a little more coverage. Okay, so you can see how even and beautiful her skin looks. So I always mix my foundation.
Yeah, I can never find an actual foundation for me. It's just like, girl, we don't got your skin color.
Yeah, usually, and like, the Maybelline's cheap, so it's easy. Like, but when you get into more expensive foundations, you know, it's like expensive. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and we're just gonna use this as a highlight. She has perfect skin. I mean, she's like young as hell, so we're just gonna use it as a highlight. Okay, so I'm just going in with the Beauty Blender to blend this out. I love using Beauty Blenders because it makes the skin look nice. I swear, between her and my daughter, this video is a hot mess. I love using Beauty Blenders because it makes it look more like your skin and it's not as cakey as it could be. So yeah, Beauty Blenders are amazing. Okay, so I'm going to set all those areas with the Ben Nye Banana Powder. I just feel like this works better on darker skin tones. The lighter powder can sometimes leave the gray overcast, and we don't want to be casket ready. We just want to be ready. Okay, so for her contour, and yes, I said contour, even though this is an eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this dark brown. This is where you guys can use makeup any damn way you want. Makeup does not have to be used, you know, if it just says for eyes or lips, you can put it any damn where you want. If it works for you, then use it. Okay, for her highlight, I'm going to use this Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. It's super, super pretty. It makes the skin look more wet than anything, and I just love it. Okay, so back in with that eyeshadow, that dark brown eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette, the Morphe palette. I'm just going to go ahead and contour her cheeks. And you can see how pretty that color is on her skin. Even though it's an eyeshadow, it works amazing for contour. Okay, so this is a new purchase for me, the Maybelline Precise Eyebrow Pencil, and I'm going to tell you, I love this shit. I definitely need to go back and grab one in my color because this was the bomb. I'm definitely going to have to do like a compare with the Anastasia Beverly Hills because I feel like this is a competitor and I definitely am sold. I swear, the foolishness, if you guys could hear her and my daughter both, I cannot have them in the same room. It was difficult to get through this. So I'm just combing that product through, just filling in her eyebrow. She has a really, really pretty eyebrow shape. So just filling in the sparse areas that needed a little help. Okay, with this black Lord & Berry eyeliner pencil, I'm just going to line her eyelash line. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to smoke this out. I feel like this is a really, really good technique for people who aren't really great with doing eyeliner, because you can make this messy and it just sort of smokes out the eye. And you can see here, I'm just going to, you know, smear it out. And I love it because it's easy to do, and you know, it looks like you know what you're doing if you don't know what you're doing. She's obviously feeling it. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, just you know, a thin line, and then just blend it out. You can even use your finger to smudge it. Okay, so I sort of just pulled it up like I would be doing a wing, and you can see how pretty that looks on her eye. Okay, this NYX Bright Pink Blush, I'll link the color below. And of course, Xavier shows up, and these two, I swear, I can't with these two. Encouraging the foolishness, as you can see. Anyway, so bright pink blush looks great on all skin tones. It's just super pretty on everybody. So I always, you know, if you don't know what color, pick a bright pink.
Ish lip. Which I would turn my hands like this, so that's like. Which?
Y'all both got witch claws. I think this one's gonna be pretty. Alright, we're finishing it off with a liquid lip by Ardell, and I will link it in the description below. And yeah, that is it. Okay, everybody, so this is the finished look. I wanted to keep it nice and simple, you know, easy for everybody to do. It doesn't take a lot of time, maybe 10 minutes to finish. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure to check out my YouTube. Well, this is YouTube. Yeah. Check out my Instagram and Facebook.
Hit that social media up.
Do you have an Instagram you want to plug?
I do. I have, it's Nala. It's NALUHH_.
We'll link.
It's gonna be in the description below.
We'll link it in the description box below if you guys want to check her out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see y'all next time.
Pop that highlight. Ooh. Ooh, get it. Get it. You got it.
She's too busy hiding. Look cute, work it. Ooh. Ooh, girl, from my screenshot to the thumbnail.
Angles, girl. Get it. Ooh. She knows what she's doing.
Ooh, yes, girl. Do it, girl. Show that highlight, girl. Turn that head. Ooh.
Looking like a piece of chicken.